Ready to unlock your potential? Meet this client of mine who is an engineering student who lost over 10 kgs in 3 months. She started off her fitness journey consuming 1900 calories and she did not stop there. With dedication and resilience, she went all the way down to as low as 1350 calories daily by the end of her journey. Now, dieting does not mean you need to give up on your favorite foods. She didn't. She still enjoyed her poha, upma, rice, paneer, and everything else she eats on a regular basis. As a complete beginner to lifting weights, she hit the gym 4 times a week, and by the end of it, she transformed into a strength training powerhouse. From zero activity levels to consistently crushing over 10,000 steps daily, her journey wasn't just about losing 10 kgs in 3 months. It was about understanding the true synergy of nutrition and exercise. And guess what? She did it all while balancing the demands of a final year engineering student. So if she can do it, so can you. Start your journey today and stop setting limits for yourself.